Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube. My name is Vivian. So happy that you are here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair. Super excited about this. It is so long overdue. Probably my #1 asked question on Instagram besides the whole entire Instagram blogging journey, growth, everything like that, which I promise I will get to. But I hope that this video excites you as much as it excites me. How I curl my hair, it's super simple, literally real time. I think it's like 5 minutes to 7 minutes. I'm always like doing it right before rushing out the door. I'm really excited for you to finally have it. If you use this tutorial, please go ahead, follow me on Instagram and tag me if you take a photo, take a video, whatever it is. I would love to shout you back out. Before we start, go ahead and just subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. Would love to read those and chat with you guys there. All right, let's go ahead and let's get to it. I'm using the T3 Micro. This is the 1-inch curling iron. I honestly got gifted this, and I know my other YouTube I was using a Conair. You could totally still use that, but I just got gifted it. It is a great curling iron. I know it's super expensive, so maybe Black Friday or Christmas, you could put it on your list. And I know that they have a box that comes with like 3 different barrels, so that might be worth it. But this is the one that I use, 1-inch, and I would just recommend a curling iron that is 1-inch for the curls that I get. And then I use a scrunchie to part my hair at the top, and then I use a clip to put the hair that I let down at the bottom because I don't want it to be like super suffocated in a hair tie. So scrunchie at top, clip at the bottom. Oh god. And we're back up. And after, I'm gonna be using Amika. This is the Amika dry shampoo, Moroccan oil texture spray, and the Way volumizing and texture spray. I mentioned these two in my previous tutorial, but these two are new, and honestly, I love how they smell, and I just feel like they give me volume and texture and kind of like that zhuzh feeling in there. So yeah, let's go ahead and let's actually get started now with the whole entire curling process. The way that I like to curl my hair, I usually part it in the middle, even though I do flip it. I have been wearing it with a side part, so I have been flipping it, but I'll just go ahead and I'll literally just go from my ears underneath, and then I'll grab my hair tie or my scrunchie, whatever you want. I look crazy when I do this, so please, like, I know some people look real cute when they're doing their hair. There is nothing cute about this, but the end result is cute. So I'll go ahead and I'll take my hair and I'm gonna swipe it down. I always curl away from my head, whoop, and then I literally untangle it like that. Is that helpful? Okay, so I'm gonna take another piece. I'm gonna clamp it so the clamp is in front of my face. I clamp it, I twirl it down, I roll it up, I barely hold it, and then I just unravel it. So I don't let it come down, I like unravel it as it comes out. Hold on, let's do another one. So I'm grabbing it, I swipe down, I roll up, I kind of bring it down, and then I literally unravel it. So that's, I think Lulu's calling me right now. She'll come in. Okay, and then the same with this side. So the clamp is always in the front. I'll bring it up and I'll literally unravel it like that. Right now my curling iron is super hot. It's not, this is a very cute look. It's not like, it's been sitting, getting heated for a while now. So I'm gonna clip it, I'm gonna roll it, bring it down, and then unwind it. Okay, and then I just bring those out to the side, and I like piecing my hair because it lets me know what I actually have curled and what I haven't. I think I'm just gonna do this in real time because it is very, very simple. Except I need a mirror over here. Okay, I think that's fine. So then I'm gonna grab my clip, and I'm just gonna clip it. Like I said, the clip is super loose. And then I'm gonna go ahead and bring another chunk of hair down. I'll bring this up, I'll part it and bring it to the sides. So again, the curling iron is in the front. So I'm gonna bring it down, twist it, let a couple pieces, and then literally unwind it. Yeah, and then I let it sit like that. And then I'll do another piece, clip, bring down, roll up, bring down, and then unwind it. And then one more piece over here. You can, if you want, I'm not good at multitasking. You can, if you want, roll it each opposite ways. So like if this way is going away from your face, your next piece can go ahead and you can do it towards your face, and that kind of gives more of like diversity and like kind of, I don't know, I think it looks really great. Sometimes I just have no patience for that because I'm just like, all right, let me just do the routine of how I usually do it, but it is a really cute look. So if that's something that you want to do, and again, I'm not like really waiting for the clamp to sit there. So I like roll it all the way up, and then once it's up, I just let it straight back down. I'm gonna grab another piece. I should have done this with my glasses actually, because I can't really see anything right now. Is this piece curled? I don't know. But if it is, it's now going the opposite way. And the sun, all right. Oh, this piece hasn't been curled, so I'm gonna grab that. All right, that's like half your head right there, and I think we're at 4 minutes. So we're gonna clamp that, grab another piece. I'm gonna keep this in real time so that you could see how long it actually takes me. And hopefully that's really helpful for you to know that you can, once you master it, and it's super simple, but once you master it, it can take you literally no time. My hair also right now is on, it was blow dried yesterday morning. So, I really can't talk while doing this. Probably the reason why I haven't filmed a video in a really long time. Okay. I don't even know what I was saying. I'm getting distracted by the fact that it's so sunny in this corner. I've literally curled my hair like, I don't know what I'm trying to say, in a rush. You know, when like everyone's yelling at you to get out the door and you're like, wait, hold on, I still have so much to do. Well, this takes you 2 seconds. All right, both sides curled. 2 seconds. You can go ahead and put hairspray on before, not hairspray, like texturizing spray or something like that beforehand, but it's totally up to you. All right, now this is the top. So I'm going to part it down the middle, even though I'll flip it to the other side. And I'm just going to do the exact same thing, but I'm gonna grab my front pieces. You know, they're super thin. I'm gonna grab my front pieces and like barely hold them. And kind of let those out. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab another piece. And I got stuck. There we go. I hope you guys can see me. We're at 7 minutes, but I've been trying to multitask and talk, which is not really helping. Oh my god, my hair right now reminds me of prom. They didn't, you know when some people curl their hair and then they keep it like this? This is not a cute look, people. Not a cute look, but we're gonna keep it like this for a second. I'm gonna put it up in a little half up, half down. I'm gonna bring the shade down so that we can see, and I'll be right back. Okay. That is much better. So my hair, I'm gonna let it set like this because it's hot, and so at this point I would probably do my makeup, which if you want to talk about makeup, cloud paint for the cheeks, moonstone highlighter for the highlighter, sun bunny bronzer for the bronzer, and that is about it. I brush my eyebrows up. That's like my everyday look. So if I'm like running out the door trying to do something, that is pretty much what I do. I'll add a little bit of highlighter on top and a little bit of powder brush on top just to keep that if I'm going out for a really long time. So yeah, that's that. So, okay, my hair is like kind of cooled off right now, so I'm gonna bring it down. And before I totally let it out, you can see it's like ring curls or whatever. I am going to grab my Amika. This is the Perk Up Dry Shampoo. I'll go ahead and I'll link everything. But I'm just gonna go ahead and spray and kind of scrunch it up. I know that this is supposed to be for your roots, so don't worry. I'm gonna do some in my roots. Okay, once that is in, I'm going to go ahead and shake it up with my hands. And while I'm kind of scrunching out, I'm kind of pulling out. So I'm pulling out my hair so that it's not totally in the little ringlets that you were seeing before. Can you see it kind of coming apart? And they'll fall out. You could just put a finger through it. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna grab my Moroccan oil texture spray. Kind of do the same. My Way volumizing spray and texture spray are pretty low, so I'm not gonna use that right now, but you could just go ahead and spray those like you normally would. And then since I part on my left side, I'm gonna go ahead and pull that apart. And this is how you get the curls. I'm gonna go ahead and turn around for you guys so you can see. Alright guys, that's it. I hope that you enjoyed this little tutorial. Feel free to like shake it out. I know when I did that little spin, it was you kind of saw those curls a little more tighter than others. So run your hands through it, don't be scared. I'm always judging up my hair constantly. If you ask my friends, that is like my #1 terrible habit that I do. But truly, like, let it, you know, just fall as it is. Don't be afraid to mess it up. The curls will still be there. And hold around a little bottle of dry shampoo or anything in your purse and use that throughout the day to kind of give it a little more volume and a little more oomph. But I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and if you have any other videos that you would love for me to film and do. I always love reading your comments and love chatting there, so please let me know. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and again, if you tried this out, go ahead and tag me on Instagram. Follow me, tag me. I would love to repost that. So that's it. Hope that you guys enjoyed it once more, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.